How to fix WhatsApp app. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam error problem. Step-by-step detailed solution. You need to contact WhatsApp support. They will be able to help you understand why your account was banned and, if possible, help you get it unbanned. Here are the steps to contact WhatsApp support. Step 1. Go to the WhatsApp Help Center website. Link is given in the video description. Step 2. Tap or click on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the page. Step 3. Click on WhatsApp Messenger Support. Step 4. Fill out the form with your contact information and a brief description of the issue. Step 5. Tap or click on the Submit button. A WhatsApp support representative will review your case and respond to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, here are some things you can do. Try to remember why your account may have been banned. Did you violate any of WhatsApp's terms of service? Gather any evidence that you may have to support your case. For example, if you were banned for sending spam, you could gather screenshots of the messages that you sent. Be prepared to explain to WhatsApp support why you believe that your account should be unbanned. Be honest and respectful in your communication. It is important to note that there is no guarantee that WhatsApp will unban your account. However, by contacting support and explaining your situation, you give yourself the best chance of getting your account back. Here are some additional tips. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it before contacting WhatsApp support. If you are using a rooted device, try unrooting it before contacting WhatsApp support. Be patient. It may take some time for WhatsApp support to review your case and respond to you. Here are some common reasons why WhatsApp accounts are banned for spam. 1. Sending unsolicited messages to multiple users. 2. Sending messages that contain malicious links or malware. 3. Sending messages that are sexually suggestive or violent. 4. Promoting illegal or harmful products or services. 5. If you are unsure why your account was banned, you can contact WhatsApp support for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to TechSoar.